That's a little baby cam cop car. What? Alright, so I know I'm in the same exact apparel as the last video. Well, it's the same exact day as Manhattan Beach Cars and Coffee. So now we're over here in the city of Santa Fe Springs. There's a lot of cars here, guys. The whole entire parking lot structure of Audio City filled up with different vehicle wheels, from Giovanna to you have Rotiform, you have all different off-road, on-road, different wheels, wire wheels, so many different things going on inside the event, guys. I hope you enjoy all of the footage back and forth. Drone flying all over the place, seeing everybody dance and everything. Right across the street right here, you have a Ford Lightning. Super cool. There's so many cars inside that there's packed out. Of course, this is collabing with Origins. Origins always gonna fill out everything. And there is some other Z's and stuff. Look at this one. Lopez! Lopez! Hey! Hey! That's the homie over there. Oh, am I all rosy and everything? So, trying to get his attention and everything. I figured he would be coming over here because he kind of lives in the same area. He is a very big supporter of this channel. So, Lobes, you forgot about me, bro. But it's alright because, you know, I mean, they see the Fiat, they know the Fiat. But it's a lot of raw audio going on in the background, guys. I try not to put so many of the synthwave music. I said in the last video, I know I said I'm not going to repeat, but that synthwave music honestly gets a little annoying and it does get tiring. I want to see if there's any other vehicle outside of the event that is worth recording, that is worth seeing. So far, I haven't seen nothing, but that's okay. I hope you guys are enjoying the footage inside. There he is again. Hold on. There he is. Cool day out here, guys. This is not the end of the video. I'm just kind of like vlogging real quick, keep you guys updated with everything going on.